Hi, Ricky. We're about to start your procedure, your non-surgical operation with Dr. Davis. And I just want to talk about why you came to see Dr. Davis.
Knee pains. I'm thinking my last option is to either get my knees replaced. I saw the ad, and why not take a
Your
chance.
wife sent it to you, didn't she?
My wife sent it.
She cares. That's good. That's good. Now, this is bothering you. This is affecting what parts of your life?
Everyday lifestyle. From walking up steps to my job, driving trucks, climbing back and forth. It's what I do for a living. So.
Yeah. Is there anything you stopped doing because it just hurts too much?
Right now, my mind of thought is, with the pain, is get over it because I got to go to work. But when it comes to riding bikes, taking that afternoon walk, or doing something fun with the grandkids, if I don't have to do it, then I don't do it because
it hurts. Oh, so I'm gonna do a couple movements with you. I'm gonna have you stand up. I'm gonna have you tell me if that's causing you any pain when you do that. So go ahead and stand up. Uh-oh. What did that feel like?
I have to take a deep breath before I stand up. So.
And what was that pain level when you stood up?
To get up at this moment, I'm gonna say a 6.
About a 6.
Yep.
Gotcha. And point to where you felt that when you were getting up.
You get both of those sharp pains right inside that little kneecap, almost
right on the outside area there, right at the kneecap.
Yep.
Gotcha. We're gonna have you take another step forward. Feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna try a squat. If you can't do it, I understand, but we're just gonna make an attempt.
Okay.
So hands forward, out straight. Yep. I want you to squat as low as you can. You're not even squatting. Go ahead, get back up. That hurts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So what's your pain level doing that?
When I do that, that's a good 8. Yep, because I can feel almost a crunch. It's stiff.
It's very stiff.
And I'm off balance, so it doesn't help. We
want some balance too. All right, we're gonna try coming down the stairs and see what that feels like. Go ahead and hold on. Can you do tandem at all? They're sideways.
This is the sideways.
That's the sideways walk.
Sideways, I'm okay.
Because you can't use that left side. You pretty much you're kind of dragging it and you're putting everything on the right side.
I can't ride this stiff.
Oh, I almost lost mine. All right, I'm gonna have you go back up the steps and tell me if you're able to do that.
The right leg has to lead first.
Has to lead.
So that I can pick up my left. Then I use the rail a lot.
Oh, you're pulling yourself up.
Yep, you can feel it. You can hear the rail.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
And what was that pain level coming up the stairs
just now?
Oh, that's a
good 9.
9. Ooh, you were really hurting there.
I'm crunching. I can hear it.
Oh, well, we're gonna do the non-surgical operation. And what do you want to get back to? What's the number one thing that you say you just want to get back to? The fun part.
I'm on 2 acres and I got a lot of property. If I could walk and just do my normal things, I'm good.
Oh, that's amazing. Let's see what we can do.
Okay, take a nice deep breath and pull up. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way. Deep breath and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Traction. Deep breath and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way. 5, 6, 7. Good. Nice deep breath and pull up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Traction. Deep breath and pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. Take a nice deep breath and go down and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. We're going to switch sides. Good. And go down and out. 1, 2, toes out, 3, 4. Good.
He does it all like these. That's terrific.
Turn your toes in.
You can pick up some more if you want.
Okay.
There you go. Right
Deep
there.
breath.
Yeah.
And go. 1, 2, toes out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Relax the foot. Good. Nice deep breath. And go. 1, 2, toes out, 3, 4, 7. Good. Turn it in again. Deep breath. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay. Nice deep breath. And go. 1, 2, toes out. 3, 4, 7. And one more. Slowly. When you stand up, I want you to kind of march in place and grease the wheels a little bit. Okay? The body has to process what we just did, but you should notice a nice change.
Oh yeah, I feel that right now.
Yeah.
So I love my
Worked
job,
hard.
Ricky.
Big
I'm
difference.
gonna, yeah, big time.
Back's gonna feel better. Everything's gonna feel better.
So yeah, pay attention to your stride when you walk down the hallway, how your leg
I'm
comes.
enjoying this right now.
Yeah, right. Yeah. That's good.
I like it when you smile.
Just tell me the differences you're feeling.
I'm not tense. Oh, it feels good.
Loose as a goose.
Awesome.
Angel.
Your posture even.
Oh, he is? Where is he?
Feels good.
Jeff feels good?
Yeah, 'cause I'm not walking like I'm walking on eggshells like I'm about to fall, you know? That feels freaking good.
Good. You worked hard.
Did he
It's a
work
little bit-
hard for you,
Yeah,
Dr.
he did.
Davis?
He did everything right. He worked.
Ricky,
Yep.
you just had a non-surgical operation by Dr. Davis.
Yes, I did.
And what were you telling us?
I feel light. Well, I like light-footed. My body's telling me to resist, but it feels good.
All right. Let's see. Let's try a squat. Let's try a squat like we did before.
Oh my God, I couldn't do that before.
He's bouncing on it and everything.
It feels good.
Do you think you can try tandem step now? I mean, let's
My
see.
brain, get my brain.
Talk to your brain.
Yeah, talk to my brain.
I love that little gasp of surprise there. Oh, all right. How did that feel?
I didn't hold no.
Huh?
I didn't hold no rails.
That's great. So you were at a pain level of, where did we start?
8, 9.
Like an 8, 9? Where would you say you are now?
3, 2.
What?
I'm telling you, it's
What?
I think it's my nerves telling me that I'm.
That's more than half.
Yeah.
That's amazing. We didn't even do the therapies.
No.
That's amazing.